Everybody, how are you? I gotta remember to look over here, not at here. How y'all doing? Hey, I have a haul for you that I've been stacking. It started out with 2 things, another 2 things, 4 things. Now it's kind of crafty Christmas. It's time for Christmas stuff now. So let's do the small one first. And as you know, I started with I guess the farmhouse black and white was pretty famous last year. And by the time I grabbed the bandwagon, half the stuff was gone. So anyway, I found some stuff this year. So I ended up finding these. Aren't these cute? They had it on one of their trees that they set up, and it was just stuck on there. I'm like, ooh, I'm buying that. So isn't that cute? The little elf things, aren't they adorable? So I grabbed those. Couldn't pass those up. Now this one's from Walmart, that I got from Walmart. And then I found these. They only had like 3 or 4 of these left. So I grabbed these. I thought they were cute because I want to put more. My tree is red and white, silver. Red and white and silver. So last year I added some of the black and white to it. It looks so pretty. So when I want to not do farmhouse anymore, I'll just not use the farmhouse stuff anymore and it'll go back to red and white and silver again. But I grabbed these, and I did grab a couple of other ones from other places that you saw, and I think I have a bag here somewhere for Christmas. Oh, I might have taken it upstairs already because I took my Christmas stuff upstairs to start doing stuff. I'll find that and put that in that bag. Okay, now, next is Dollar Tree. And I got this one. Let's see. Dollar Tree. I got this one and this one there. Okay. I got this wrapping paper. I always get Santa Claus wrapping paper to wrap Ariel's Santa gifts in. And for Dad, Santa gifts. I have tons of Santa paper because I don't ever use it all. So, but like I said, my tree is black and white, red and white, silver, and the farmhouse. Well, I couldn't find farmhouse. This is the closest I got to that for this year. That'll be Dad's gift wrapping. So I grabbed those 2. That will go over my gift wrapping box. And the rest of this is kind of crafty stuff. This isn't. This is what, these are awesome, guys, for your phones. The tempered glass stuff. And this is my phone. You can see that it's starting to peel off. But I put this on. I usually change it out every year. And this one, I mean, my screen's dirty, but I put this on my phone all the time. But I don't have any more, so I needed to pick up another one before they don't carry on. My phone's old. It's a 6S Plus, and it works for me. I don't need the new and whatever, so I got some more tempered glass, so I can put that on if I need to. I'll use this one as long as possible, but if it's starting to peel up, I'll put this on. So that's non-craft related. I have, where's my scissors? I have some really nice craft scissors, my Tim Holtz ones, and I find Ariel taking them, and I get PO'd because they're for paper, and she's cutting other stuff with them. I said, no. I have sewing scissors over on my sewing machine, and they're expensive scissors. I can't remember what they were called. They're special scissors, and these are special ones for crafting. She can't touch my red-handled ones. I went to Dollar Tree and got some regular ones. These will go in here. She can use the black-handled ones down here, not my red-handled ones. So I did get some of those. These are cute. I think I have some of these already, but I'm not positive. And they didn't have very many left over. And I thought I'd use it on my December daily. That has a little bit of glitter on it. So that will go in my December daily. Actually, I'm going to put it over here on my cart. And here are the silver ones. They didn't have very many of these left, and I know that if you don't get it, you won't have it. So I did grab both of those. And then I have, where are they? I think they're in this box too. Yep. I have a bunch of these ones, the big, huge ones. But I do not have any of the medium ones. So I grabbed 2 of these. And I know I grabbed 2 of these. And I know that when Ariel sees that stuff, she's going to try to take it off. And on my December daily prep, I was going through the numbers. Remember on that video? And I was short. I knew I was going to be short. Remember I said I had to check them out. And I was short some. So I grabbed 4 packages of the numbers because I think I'm short the 2s. So I grabbed more. I'll have more than enough now, I'm sure, because I want to use those. Some tape for wrapping. I'm going to put that in the wrapping box. And another, oh, they only had a couple of these left. So here's my, see, I got some different ones. They're all different. They're not like, I didn't buy like a bunch of, you know how you can buy the box of ornaments and it's all the same one. Well, my black and white ones are all different. They're not any two the same, I don't think. There might be last year's stuff, but like this year I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I bought 5 so far. And I think one of them's red, the red, but it has black on. And that cute little top hat, Frosty's hat. Look, I can make it so that there's little, decorate it, put it on the tree like there's little feet. Isn't that cute? So there's that one. Okay, next up, my local Family Dollar just put out their Christmas stuff. They've been twinkling it out every once in a while. Let me show you the paper that I got. This was last year's paper, so it was $1, I think. Look at, Ariel loves this movie. It's the Elf. I got wrapping paper for her this year, this one. And I got the little animals, polar bear, penguin, and snowflakes. This is what they'll wrap my stuff in, is this one. So I think I got enough wrapping paper for this year, plus what I didn't use last year. So I don't need to buy any more wrapping paper. I probably won't even use all of this. Okay, next up, I went in there today. They usually put stuff out because Halloween's over. So they started putting stuff out this Monday. They started putting the rest of it out. Isn't this cute? It's got the handle. It's the door. This one says Joy. The white ones say Joy. The red ones say Noel. And I wanted this one. Isn't that cute? I might hang this. I don't know if my laundry room's done in time. I might hang it in there or on that door. So this was $5. So I just got this today. So that will go up in my Christmas stuff. Okay, for my other channel, which is my Reborn channel, I paint Reborn dolls, therapy dolls. Excuse me. And I have a nursery over there. You've seen hints of it. You can go check that out if you want to. It's Tiny Toes Reborn Nursery here on YouTube. But I want to start setting up for Christmas. I usually get all the babies, the ones I have anyway. I get them dressed in their Christmas stuff. And I wanted to set up, like, I have a tree, but I thought this would be fun. I got a little nutcracker. Isn't it cute? I thought that would be fun to put next to the babies. So I got that. That will sit here on my desk until I'm ready to use it. I got, oh, here's one thing that's not Christmas themed. Remember when I was doing my Halloween tree? I said, next year I'm going to do skeletons. They had one left, and I needed one more for my tree. So I did get that. That's going to go get put in my Halloween stuff. Okay, the rest of this is Christmas. Okay, so I bought this one. And it's different, right? And I got these. Okay, now look at what I got at my Family Dollar. I got this one. It says peace. I got this one. Even though it's the red, it's okay. I can go with it. I got the star. I got the red Noel with the black. So I got two. It says peace and Noel on there. And I got the tree. I guess this year that what's famous is the red checker. Last year it was the black and white. This year it's the red. Everything. Walmart, everywhere, it's the red. And I'm not a big fan, although it will look good on my tree. I'm kind of mixing it a little bit. I've got, what, 3 things now? Well, actually 4 with this on it. But they're all different. Every single one's different. They're not. And then I love this. I seen another lady, oh, what's her name? On Facebook group. Oh, what is her name? I want to tell you guys so you can go check it out. I go to Facebook. She's always posting stuff on here. Now you watch, because I'm looking for it today, there won't be anything. It's all politics stuff. Oh, what is her name? Lizzie and Aaron. Here it is. She just popped up. On their Facebook group, she did a cookie tin. And I don't know if it was this year's stuff or last year's stuff. I don't know. Let me see. Let me go to her page real quick. Might have been last year. Yeah, it might have been. I don't know. I'm not seeing it 2 weeks ago. Anyway, it's a cookie tin. I guess you can search her stuff. And she got it, I guess, the clear top cookie tin. And she put fake snow, you know, so it looks fake snow. She put the lights in it and everything. Well, she used this in one of those little trees. And then she put on the cookie tin, it's faced this way so you can see inside. And on underneath, they use those blocks, those wood blocks from the little Jenga blocks from Dollar Tree on the bottom. So it's got the feet. So when you turn it on, oh, it's so pretty. But I grabbed this before I even saw that video that she did. But yeah, over on Facebook, Lizzie and Aaron. And you can probably do a search. And see, they're doing Thanksgiving stuff. And cookie tin, here it is. Cookie tin Christmas scene. Let me see if I can bring it up. A picture of it at the end. Let me show you at the end.
All right, y'all, I'm excited to see how.
And she's funny. Oh, she's so funny.
Y'all have. Okay.
So, let's see.
Let me fluff up my little bow here.
If I can get it to go a little bit faster.
You guys
Okay. You probably can't see it very well because there's a glare. But you can see it inside. See that? See inside? Oh, it's so pretty. So that would be a good craft. She got her tin at Hobby Lobby or something like that, but I guess they have them at Dollar Tree. But I couldn't find them at my Dollar Tree. But I thought that would have been fun to make. But I did grab this, so this is going on my tree. Neat, cute little sleigh. So there's my ornaments. Got some more craft stuff that I'm going to use this. These are new this year from my Family Dollar. I didn't see those before. They're felt stickers. There's 8 of them in here. You can use that on my thing too. And then this would be a good craft I think I'm going to do with Ariel, is either use one of these or one of these, one of the bells, put the snowflake in the middle, paint this white, put the snowflake in the middle, and then it comes with the twine. And I think there's, how many are in here? There's a few of them in here. I think they're different ones. Let's see. Yeah, they're all different. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them in here. And you just put glitter on it and everything. I think it'd be a good craft for her this year. She's older, she's 12, so she'll enjoy doing a crafty thing like this. But these also be good. I do, like in my little neighborhood right here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 houses right in my little neighborhood. And just, we usually give each other a little something, something. Everybody goes around. And, but there's 5 of them in here. I'd have to pick up another package, but I usually make zucchini bread and hand that out. But with COVID this year, we probably won't do that. I don't know. We'll have to see what happens. But that'd be a good thing to do. So I got that. Those are all in here. I got some of these because when I cleaned my cart, I don't have very many left. So I got some more of these. I'll go down there. And these are new. I don't have these stickers. I know I don't have. I am slacking. My Christmas cart, my December cart, doesn't look anything like my Halloween one. Yeah, I'm going to do a video on that so you guys can see it. That's coming next. So I got some more stickers. I used a lot of these. Was it last year's December? Daily? I don't know. I used these almost on every picture. But I grabbed some of these. They're cute. These ones were cool. And they had a couple other ones, but I didn't like them. But I like these. So I got some stickers to put up here to add to my nose stickers. I can't believe that. So anyway, there is my little haul, guys. I hope you liked it. Starting to get into the December mode. And I got to start getting my December daily together. Everything's still sitting in the box. I'll just spend a weekend, a Saturday, and I'll cut everything out and put everything in there. And I've got my thing here ready. I got a couple of videos to do, guys, so I will keep you updated. Keep watching. More videos to come. And we will see you again soon. Bye now.